Morning.
Don't take the
Why are you so aggressive? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you can see, I look a mess because my workout is done for today. I told you guys I wasn't gonna play. I told you guys I was serious about doing this. So my workout for today is done, and I felt like giving up at 15 minutes. But you say, I said to myself, you know what? Let's find something that motivates me to keep going. And seeing that I am a new YouTuber and I love to watch other YouTube families, I said to myself, why not catch up on other YouTube families recent posts that have been watching. So as you can see on my phone, hey guys, I'm just here making me some breakfast. So I feel like making me an avocado egg sandwich for breakfast this morning. So I'm just smashing up my avocado in here. I don't know if you can see that. I just smashed some avocado into a plate, and then I am just going to spread this avocado all over my bread. Just gonna slap it on. That sounds weird. So the avocado is just playing the role of my sauce this morning. I'm not a sauce kind of girl, but anyways, I'm going to make the sandwich for you guys one day and show you how yummy the sandwich can be. All you sauce lovers who love sauce, you can alternate the avocado in space of the sauce. So I'm going to add a leaf of lettuce. I'm just gonna add this lettuce right onto my avocado. Put some slices of tomato right on there. I like my tomatoes very thin. I like my tomatoes cut very thin. Yes, Baba. They hear Tyler in there. He's something else. And then I'm just going to fry my egg and drop my egg right on top of all this goodness. And that's breakfast. A cup of detox with no sugar. I'm gonna use stevia. Do you guys have special cups that you use? I love using my little elephant cup. So this is what I'm going to have for breakfast. I'm sure I won't be hungry until lunch. So that's breakfast with my cup of detox, and I'm good to go for the morning. Workout felt really good. I feel accomplished, and Olympics officially start today. Who is pumped about Olympics? I am so excited. I can't wait to see my fellow Jamaicans and of course my French athletes. So I'll be cheering, and some of my favorite US athletes, well, athletes in general. I'm really looking forward to see the track and field aspect, but I'm a big gymnastic fan, so I'm looking forward to see Gabby, of course. I love gymnastics. And what other sport event I'm looking forward to see? I don't know. Oh, swimming. I'm looking forward to see swimming. I'm looking forward to see gymnastic. I'm looking forward to see track and field, which a lot of my Jamaicans know that I'm a former athlete, so who doesn't like track and field? And of course, like last year, I discovered some new sport, so I'm now a big fan of judo. France have a guy in judo that has never lost in his ranking, so I'm really looking forward to see him also. And yeah, I'm really going to be tired for the next few days because the time difference. France is what, tonight? France is 7 hours ahead of Jamaica, so you can just imagine the time difference. And tonight I'll be up at midnight watching the opening ceremony because my girl Shelly will be carrying the flag, so I can't miss that. And good luck to all the athletes in Rio, especially to my Jamaicans and to my friend Elaine that is competing. Good luck to you, mama. Mwah, 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 mwah. Good boy. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you, mama. Good boy. Look at you. You're getting so big. You're getting too big already. Ever since Tyler got this cup, he doesn't want me to feed him anymore. Like, literally, he doesn't want. Yes. You think he's all grown now. He doesn't want me to feed him his water anymore. Right? Are you gonna be mommy baby forever? Are you gonna be mommy baby forever? Yes? You're gonna be mommy googly bear forever. You're gonna be mommy googly forever. You guys, look who is home. Baby's home and we're on the road.
Yes, home is Friday and I can't say happy Friday because I work tomorrow.
Yeah, he worked half the day on a Saturday. I'm just gonna show you guys my outfit for today. Tyler and I matching.
When is the last time you have a bag?
I haven't carried a handbag in a full year. It's been a year since I carried my handbag because of this little one. I'm always walking around with this baby bag. Say hi, Papa.
He just woke up, was sleeping.
This is my outfit for today. My little cute Friday afternoon outfit. So we're going in the store to get some stuff done. So we catch you guys later. Bye. Say hello. Say good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh.
Don't take the
Why are you so aggressive?
right now.
Why are you so aggressive? He's so aggressive. Oh my god. Are you serious? Tella, why are you so aggressive? He's so aggressive. Why are you doing my face? Tella, no. No. Anyway, guys, it's the start of Olympics. Hubby's over there relaxing. Watching all different kind of sporting events. And Tyler is here, of course, messing around with my hair and being naughty and being aggressive. Oh my god, he's so aggressive. So you guys, oh, today's Independence Day back home. So happy Independence Day, Jamaica. You want to go down? Look at what he's doing. Look at this child though. He wants to go down? Alright. There you go. There you go. There you go. You want to come back? So you guys, Hobby and I just had to, Babe and I just had to move our living room center table. As you can see, my behind me is just plain Jane right now because it's getting really dangerous for Tyler. He's becoming so active. It's very dangerous, so we just have to pull it down and find somewhere to put it without fitting it up. So we just did that, and we're just chilling home for the rest of the day.
Hi guys.
He's so relaxed over there. So Tyler have all this space to do all that he wants to do. So my living room is just plain old Jane without the table now. So he got all the space to move around. Right, Papa? He just wants to walk already. I can't wait for Tyler to start walking. Papa. Papa, say Papa. Say Papa. Papa. Say Papa. Papa. Yeah. So I am about to go make me some dinner because it's after 6 p.m. now. I'm just gonna throw some chicken on the barbecue and right, baby, you want barbecue? This little boy is so active. Tyler doesn't stay one place at no given time.
Only when I sleep.
Only when he's sleeping, you're right.
Well, the morning he is a very quiet baby.
The morning he's the quietest. In the mornings, after he get his bath and have his bottle, you put him in his chair and he will sit there for like 4 or 5 hours. Quiet, not a sound. But after that, Tyler is from 0 to 100, and that's
He keeps
how,
his energy.
that's how he is all day. Yes. You want to see yourself? There you go. There you go. Oh, look at that yawn. So today is workout day, right, babe? We have abs to do later.
Maybe.
No. We have abs to do later. We're going to.
Maybe. Yeah, we will.
Tyler, can I speak?
I'm just playing. We will. We're gonna watch Olympic and do the abs in the same time. There will be
Yeah,
Olympic
good
abs.
motivation.
Yeah.
Hi, babe. Babe's doing the barbecue outside for dinner.
Like to show my
He said I like to show his skin. You guys, I've never showed you guys my backyard before, so now you're seeing my backyard. I have a little backyard going on, and the neighbors, it doesn't really matter how often I clean this fence. The neighbors' grass thing just keeps growing and coming back over. Look how this one keeps good, and this one, in no time, it comes right back. Dinner is ready, you guys. So we're about to grab and so dinner is ready and we're about to go eat. So come. We're about to go have dinner. So we'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
You don't show dinner?
I showed it already.
Okay.